Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my broken nail using the silk wrap repair method. So this is what we're starting with. I broke it pretty close to the nail bed, so as you can see, as it kept breaking down the middle, it was starting to hurt a little bit as it was touching actual flesh. So here's what you're going to need. This is the Swiss silk pre-shaped wrap tabs. I got them on Amazon. You're going to need some really tiny scissors, fine grit buffing file, some brush on gel resin that I also got on Amazon, and tweezers, as well as a lint-free pad. I'm starting off with a pad dipped in pure acetone, and I'm wiping off all of the natural oils off of my nail bed and getting it prepped for the repair. And then I'm getting the smallest size out of all of the silk tabs. This is the one that you would technically use for your pinky, and I'm measuring it out to the size that I want. Then I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter because I don't need the whole thing. You're going to carefully place it with the tweezer and make sure that you get very close to the edge without going over it too much, but you want to get it close to the edge so that way it doesn't get caught on things. After that, I trimmed off the excess, and then we're going to start off with our first layer of gel resin. You really don't need a lot of this, a little bit goes a long way, and as you can see with a thin layer, the mesh starts to get clear. After it dries about 5 minutes, you're going to go in with a second coat and then a third coat. The last layer takes the longest to dry, but after it is fully hard, we're going to start filing off the excess, and then we're going to buff lightly on the surface to smooth down all of the edges, but make sure that you don't file too much because then you'll take off all the mesh. Then we're going to lock it in with the last layer of gel resin, and then you're pretty much done. I like this method because it looks pretty natural all on its own, even though I'm going to polish over it. If you were going to polish your nails, don't use an acetone based remover because the acetone will break away the resin. So that's pretty much it, guys. Until next time.